Hi, I'm Adam Geisen, one of the co-founders of Gamably. So you've got these players in your game, and if you really want to inspire them to work together and to really develop that collaboration, you can break them into teams, and it's easy to do. Let me show you how to do that. So let's take a look at the game that we just created, this pirate theme game. So I added a few more players, as we can see here on the list, just to make sure our teams worked out. So when you do add players to the game, you have the ability to add some sort of information. In this case, we've got two groups of kids. Some are in Mrs. Jones' homeroom, some of them are in Mr. Smith's homeroom, and you can break up and sort users that way. We're going to do something a little different with the team. So that's one way of being able to sort and filter players. But with the teams, you basically create a team, you can style it however you want, and then you add players to that team. So we're going to do that. We're going to create two teams and break these kids up. So I'm going to create a new team. I'm going to give it, we'll just be real creative and call this team number 1. You can put a description in there if you want to. You then have the ability to upload an icon or choose an icon. I'm going to go ahead and choose from the free content here. I like these, where they have the terrain here. I enjoy that. We'll do that. A coast. So there's a couple ways that you can add players. You can choose them individually and just add them to the list. If you wanted to break them down by homeroom and put them into a group, you could do it that way. What I'm going to do is choose random players. This is a nice way to do this. So I'm going to say we'll have, I think we have 13 players. So we'll say we're going to choose 6 players. We're only going to choose the players who are not already on a team. And that's true because there are nobody on a team yet. So I'm going to choose the random players. It randomly picked for me 6 players. That looks good. I'm going to go ahead and save that team. So now I have here in my list of edited or created teams, if I go to view that, I now can see the total member points, which is all of the players' points combined. The team points, you can assign a team its own set of points. And again, this is good for a leaderboard display. And then here are the listed players. You can then go to that players page if you need to look at something more specific, or if you want to make changes to this team, click edit. You have the ability to change the players and all that. So let's go to create another team here. We're going to do team number 2, and we're going to put the rest of the players on team number 2. So I'm going to choose a different icon. We'll go to our terrain and we'll do the desert. That looks good. So I'm going to choose random players. I think if I choose 9 and select only ones that aren't on there, there's only 7 unpicked players left. So it dropped it down to 7. I can now choose the other 7 players who are not already on my list. Go to save team. And there we go. Team 1, team 2. There's 13 players, 6 and 7. That's exactly what it looks like. So from a player's perspective, now we're looking at it as if this is the Testy McTester who's on team number 2. And here from that tester's homepage, you can see the game information. You can see their earned points, their current rank, player status, and the menu over here on the left. This empty box here can be filled by the game manager. We'll talk about this in a different video, but with a featured item or with a message or both. So there's room to customize this front page. But if you look over here on the left now, there is a Your Teams view. And from the player's perspective, they can see the other team members. They can see the total points and the team points. Currently can't see any other data about the other players. We want to kind of keep some of that private. But for the most part, they can see what teams they're on. If you have any sort of elements or items that have a prerequisite that a person has to be in the team in order to access, those will be listed down below. So you may have a few challenges that are specifically for this team. But anyway, so that's a great way for you to break up your players into groups. You can assign things to them. You can definitely encourage that interactivity and collaboration between your team members within your game. So hopefully that gets you started.